Here at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, we are proud to present this Range Rover Sport Autobiography, finishing the very stylish Carpathian Grey. It's a 3-litre diesel, providing a huge amount of practicality and style throughout. And it's sitting on those stunning 23-inch gloss black alloys, working perfectly with the grey finish and the rear privacy glass. Showing you the practicality of the vehicle now, you've got a huge amount of boot space there, no trouble fitting luggage, shopping or prams in. Moving to the interior, you have got the light cloud and ebony leather finish. Very comfortable to be in. 4-zone climate control there as well. Moving to the front, you've got the electric memory driver's seat, as well as the Meridian 3D surround sound system sounding fantastic throughout the vehicle, and a very well presented dashboard. This vehicle does come equipped with a sliding panoramic sunroof, letting a huge amount of natural light into the vehicle. Always nice to have, I'm sure you'll agree. As we're taking a seat inside now, you have got ease of access to the navigation system, as well as your 3D surround camera, working hand with your front and rear parking aid, ensuring full confidence. You've also got ease of access to a huge range of other features. These do include your heated and cooled front seats, as well as your front seat massage, ensuring full comfort even on those longer journeys. Always a nice feature to have, I'm sure you'll agree. But your heated and cooled front and rear seats, and ease of access to a huge range of other features, including your park assist there as well. For more information, please give us a call on 01228 599 000. Thank you.